Hello and welcome back to Proximity, the retail super app. Today's spotlight is going to be on our appointment booking solution. And the solution is powered by Proximity but hosted on your own website, giving your customers the ability to self-serve, finding a date and time that suits them to either come into store or to meet you virtually. So let's jump into the demo. Here we'd have your website, and to complement that website, Proximity provides you a piece of bespoke code that you drop into your site, either in an iframe or pop-up, giving the customer the ability to book their own appointment. This would be customized to match the fonts and colors of your site to create a seamless customer experience. Now, this solution is having an ongoing conversation with your Proximity application. It knows where your stores are, what services you offer, and who is working the shifts in those stores, allowing the customer to completely self-serve. In this example, the first thing the customer sees is the store options screen. Now, this has geolocating functionality, so it knows where your customer is and is going to offer the stores that make most sense to them. I can toggle through these locations with a handy Google map, and then I can hit the next button when I've made my selection. As I said before, the appointment booking solution is connected to the rest of your Proximity application. So now it will check what services you offer at that location and present those to your customer. As you can see here, these services may be in person or virtual, and they may differ in time. The customer will pick their selection and move on to the next screen. In this example, I'm going to pick virtual so I can show you the end-to-end solution. From here, the solution will offer up the staff members we have in that location that can accommodate the chosen service with a handy picture and profile. The customer will choose who they want to have their appointment with and move on to the next step. Again, the solution is talking back to the main Proximity application. It is going to check the shift patterns of the staff member selected, remove any time slots already committed to other appointments, and the customer can now choose a date and a time that suits their needs. After hitting next, your brand can now start to collect data from the customer. Collecting this data can do a number of things. You could be collecting consent for future outreach. You could be collecting data to enrich what you already know about that customer. Or you could be collecting preferences so that when the customer does come in for that upcoming appointment, you can make sure they get the highest experience. Once the customer has filled out all their details, they can check them on this confirmation screen, hit the confirm button, and then they can add the appointment to their own calendar or start the process again and book another appointment. So let's jump over to the Proximity app and have a look what that looks like for the store associate that just received that appointment. The store associate logs into their Proximity app, navigates to the calendar tab, and waiting for them there are all the appointments booked for them through the website. You can see the top appointment is the appointment we just booked, and because this is a virtual appointment, we also have the join button so that we can jump into that video call. The customer will have also received a link via email to join the same call. So let's hit that join button and see what that looks like. As you can see from the store associate view, they both join the virtual appointment. The associate is able to have the conversation with the customer while still being able to use the app functionality to assist them in their conversation. Now let's add in the customer view so we can see what that looks like as well. So there we have it. The customer was able to self-serve on the website, finding a date, time, and associate that could serve them best, resulting in a successful appointment and a great customer experience. See you next time.